In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize layouts in Glide. If you're building an app and want it to look and feel exactly the way you imagine, this walkthrough will guide you through creating a clean, tailored layout using Glide's custom screen. First, go to Glide. Open your browser, head to the Glide website, and get ready to work inside the editor. Glide is a no-code platform, so everything you'll do today happens visually and updates in real time right in the editor. Next, sign into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard where your existing projects live. Choose the project you want to edit so you're working in the right place from the start. With your project open, look to the left side panel and click the Add button. This is your gateway to adding new screens and features. From the options that appear, click Custom Screen. This creates a fresh, blank canvas inside your app, perfect for designing a layout that matches your needs, rather than relying on a pre-built template. You can now customize it. Think about the purpose of this screen. What should your users see first? What actions do you want them to take? And what information matters most? A clear goal helps you decide which elements to include and how to arrange them for clarity and impact. On the right side, select the style and components you want to add. The Components panel is where you'll find essentials like text, images, buttons, lists, and more. Choose the components that support your goal and add them to your screen. Use headings and supporting text to create a visual hierarchy so users can scan quickly and understand your content at a glance. If you're showing content like cards or lists, pick styles that make the most important details stand out. For images, use clear, high-quality visuals that reinforce the message rather than distract from it. As you build, adjust the style settings on the right to control layout options like spacing, alignment, and how content flows on the page. Keep things consistent by using similar font sizes for similar elements, uniform spacing between sections, and colors that match your brand. Make buttons clear and descriptive so users know exactly what happens when they tap them. Small details like contrast, white space, and readable text sizes go a long way toward a professional, user-friendly design. And that's it. You've created a custom screen and tailored the layout to your needs using Glide's right-side style and components panel. Thanks for watching this step-by-step Glide tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and walkthroughs. See you in the next video.